guys, this is Caleb back from JMC Family Farms, and today I'm going to show you how to peel a frozen tomato the proper way.
So I wanted to show you, so in the summertime, we often get a lot of tomatoes. And so what I do is I wash them and I freeze them whole. And I did show another video about how I do this. I keep them in a big Ziploc bag. It's just hard to see. But these are like right from the freezer, like rock hard. So I wanted to show you how I store them. So what I use these for is when I'm making like soups, chilies, stews, anything like that, I just pull them out of the freezer, peel the ones that I need, and then the rest just I refreeze and put them back in the freezer. Okay, Caleb, have you ever done this before?
No.
Okay, so what I want you to do is turn the water on to warm. So warm water. All right, take your tomato. So frozen tomato, rock hard. Okay, so take the tomato, put it under the water. Okay, now with your fingers, wiggle the skin. Can you see around the edges? And then you just put it on the side of the sink. And look at how easy that tomato skin is coming off. Is that pretty easy, bud?
Yeah, very easy.
And you've never done this before?
Never.
Okay. So in a matter of like seconds.
Tomato?
All done? There we go.
All peeled.
Frozen tomato is all peeled. And then that's it. You just throw it in your stuff. If you don't want, of course, like you can always take that out. You can let it thaw a little bit and then slice it into quarters, whatever you want, and take whatever sections that you don't want in there. But it comes apart super, super easy. So all those tomatoes that you have from your garden, when you just got they're almost like overripe, then this is a great way to use them up. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks, Caleb.
Welcome.